Freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors will be sitting in the prospective areas. So at this time, we need the science building, the Kate building, the ROTC, band, and drama hall to go ahead and go to the pep rally.
We're here. What are we here for? What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're gonna surprise Sierra.
Does she have an idea? She got dressed up today. Does she have an idea?
No.
She really doesn't.
She does not.
Hey, let me know when we're ready to go. We're here by the library.
I'm so excited. I love these big surprises. And she doesn't know she's getting an award. They don't even know that we're going to be here. And she doesn't know her family's going to be here.
Yeah, I'm escorting everyone down over there right now. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
The surprise is about to happen. It's almost coming.
Thank you, Mr. Flores. Well, good morning, Bulldog Nation. I'm so excited to be here on Devon with KENS 5, and it is my privilege to surprise with our KENS 5 Human Excel Award, your biology teacher and track coach, Mrs. Sierra Molina. Your husband is here, your parents are here. Assistant coach for the basketball team, and she not only helps the students, she helps the teachers, serving as a mentor.
Congratulations, Ms. Molina. We're very proud of you. Thank you for making our Somerset community, and again, congratulations. Making a difference in education is the ticket to change the world. Education is the way that you change and break the cycle of poverty. Ms. Molina, I want to thank you for all the work that you've done and touching all the lives of the students.
How come they haven't given me the check yet? I gotta hold all this.
Surprised or no?
Very surprised, shocked, well-kept secret. I get to share with my family. My family kept a good secret and complete surprise that they were here. It means a lot because I was a Somerset High School graduate, and to be recognized and to have, grown up in Somerset my whole life, it's very rewarding. My students just being, just excited and happy for me, coming by to say congratulations, it's very heartfelt.